Welcome back to the Titanium Skull Racing YouTube channel. Before we get into the minivan madness, I know you haven't seen me in a while. And for those that are new, please like and subscribe, it helps a lot. A couple videos back, you'll see that I built a burnout truck. I got an S10 and I put a small block Chevy in it. So everything went fine until one day I was on my way home from work to do the first oil change on the small block, and some 82-year-old dude decides it's a good idea to cut across 3 lanes of traffic in the dark. You'll see what that looked like. So that's where I've been. It's been kind of a battle, but please like and subscribe, everyone. It really helps. I really want to bring y'all better content. I love racing, I love doing this, and I want to do it more. So you guys are the only ones that help. Just smash that like and subscribe button. Let's get into the minivan madness. It's been a while since you've seen me and Jew Chief. What up? We're on our way to the Freedom Factory to put the old miniature van into the spectator drag since the fucking race car's broken and I want to race. Alright y'all, we're pulling into tech. Let's see what everybody thinks about the old minivan. I know everybody's been wondering where Corn Cob is. He kind of just sits here in the back of the lot. What do you think?
Oh boy.
Ever had a minivan before? What's up?
Hey, you're out of blinker fluid.
I know, bro. It sucks.
And you need maintenance.
Your mom let you borrow
It needs
this?
an oil change. It's actually my daily.
Make sure it has oil. How many miles? Oh boy, you crazy boy. 176,000. Where's your tech card at?
Right there. Here's my helmet.
Which one are you doing?
Spectator drive. Yeah, sorry, I didn't check it. It's front wheel drive. How do you expect me to do that? You got trays?
What's today?
Here we go for spectator drags in the minivan.
Don't sleep on a minivan. These things somehow beat people all the time. That shit is the minivan just take the jump, dude. There you go.
That was a lot of fun. Oh shit! It's sad to say, but my daily driver's faster than my race car. You want to go again? You want the inside?
Whenever we line up, I'm good.
All right.
Hey, if you want to swap, we can though. It don't matter.
Yeah, you take the inside this time.
I'll take the inside.
Yeah.
what the minivan would do. Now that I know it's capable.
Rip out here, man.
Dude, it's faster than the El Camino.
Take the jump and walk in.
That was pretty good. I was sleeping. Well, that was a lot of fun. I only won once, but you know, dude didn't wait for me to be ready ever. I don't know why. It's alright though. That was fun. What the hell was that? Just flew in front of my camera.
Blow them bars up.
He always does. That's what Kai's known for. I'm impressed it doesn't have more body roll than it does.
Golly.
It's sliding good.
Everything flew out of the bed.
Yeah.
Nah! A little bit of stuff.
That was close. Woo. That was really sick. I wonder why 3 Chinooks flew over. Alright, y'all. We made it. The minivan didn't break and the minivan spanked. Minivan's faster than the El Camino, which is the funniest thing. But we're on our way back home, and I want to leave y'all off with please like and subscribe. We're only going up from here. I'm trying to bring y'all better content every video. The only people that help is y'all. Just keep helping.